subscriber, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, thanks for sticking around with me. So I know you must have seen that video. Well, in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to get a pure white teeth at home. On your own, no stress, no getting any procedure done. How to get stained teeth, your cream teeth, your black teeth. You're going to be sparkling white like mine. So in this video, I don't want to waste much of your time. I'm going straight into the ingredients that you're going to need for this video. And the first one is ginger. Yeah, this is the ginger. The second one is lemon. Like lemon removes a lot of dark stains. The next one is baking soda. And then we have a plate to mix it up. Toothpaste and obviously toothbrush. We are going to use to brush our teeth. So if you are someone that when people are complimenting you, you look great, you look beautiful, and you're just like you can't open up your teeth. I understand it doesn't mean that you don't take care of your teeth. It just means that you've been eating a lot of things that stain your teeth, and sometimes black teas and things like that can stain your teeth even when you brush regularly. So let's take that away. It doesn't mean that you don't care for your teeth. It just means that you've been taking in a lot of things that stain your teeth. So with no further ado, let's get into mixing it. So I have my plate here. The next thing I'm going to do is to open the box of powdered ginger. And by the way, you can use fresh ginger. You can use grated fresh ginger to do this. But I have a powdered ginger and that's what I'm using. So I'll place it into this my empty bowl. The next thing I'm going to do is to place in the baking powder, the baking soda, which is here. So I'm just going to take in this quantity of baking soda. This quantity is about enough. I'm going to put it into this bowl. The next thing I need to do is to squeeze in my lemon juice. And here it is. I'm going to drop it in to this plate. After that, you can see it's already like foaming. There's see the way it's foaming. So I'll mix that up real quick. The next thing I need to do is to add in my toothpaste. And my toothpaste is already here. So I used to use like Colgate toothpaste. I noticed that a lot of people use Colgate toothpaste. Well, I was using Colgate toothpaste and I noticed that it made my teeth very sensitive. So when I took in cold things, my teeth was like very painful, and when I took in hot things, my teeth was also very painful. So I had to find this, and this has been like very good for my teeth. My toothpaste. So I'm going to like press it into this bowl. That is about enough, and then I'll mix it up. So I'm going to like put on the screen the reason for this ingredient that I'm mixing, the purpose it has in this mixture, and why I'm using them actually. Why I'm using ginger, why I'm using lemon. You're going to see it on the screen. I don't want this video to be too long. That's why I'm not going ahead to like explain them one after the other. So after the whole mixture, this is how it looks. So it's actually green because the toothpaste is green. It's not green because that's the color you're going to get after mixing up. So this is the color right now. Right about now, I'm going to show you how to use it on your teeth with your toothbrush. So get your toothbrush ready. So guys, I'm in my bathroom now to show you how you're going to use a toothbrush and apply that on your teeth. So your teeth is going to be really white as long as you continue to use it regularly, not too often, but yeah, you're going to use it at least twice in a week. So if you don't want your teeth to ever get to that point in the first video, of which I've seen a lot of people with that stain on their teeth, like I've seen it physically, I've seen people with that kind of teeth. If you don't want your teeth to ever get to it, you need to start caring for your teeth. Apart from brushing regularly, you need to use mouthwash, and you know, just try and help yourself get a white teeth if you can afford those expensive procedures that people go to. So this is the mixture right here. I'm just going to like put it on my toothbrush, and then I'll go over my teeth.
Purchase your tracks today.
out my teeth right now. So I'm done rinsing my teeth. This is how my teeth looks like. I'm trying as much as possible for you to see. Did you see any stain? No. So this, like, I do this quite often. It's a bit stingy on the teeth because of on the tongue because of the ginger and lemon, but at least it gives. I like the taste. I like the taste of it. I'm not swallowing it obviously, but I like the taste. So guys, try this out. Get a white teeth. Like, until we can afford those procedures, we're going to like take care of our teeth ourselves. Guys, thanks for watching. Do this. Do it at home. Do it at home. Thanks for watching. I hope this was informative. I hope that you find it helpful. Until next time, loves. Bye.